Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to start our new lesson which is the easiest lesson of standard 10. Its name is probability. Lesson number 5, page number 113. In our daily life we use the words probably, fair, likely, possibly, chance, maybe, impossible, sure, nearly, 50-50. For example, India will have chance to win the cricket World Cup. Means that chances of winning the cup are bright. Most probably I will get first class. Probably it will rain today. It is possible that the prices of food grains will rise. In each of the statement or examples, there are different degrees of certainty or uncertainty of results. Now the problem is how can we measure the certainty or uncertainty? The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with uncertainty and there is an equal possibility for each result is known as random experiment. Okay. Next is outcomes. The result of a random experiment are called as outcomes. For example, tossing of a coin is a random experiment because if a coin is tossed, either head or tail will turn up. That is, we have two possible outcomes, head or tail. Drawing a playing card from a pack of well shuffled cards is also a random experiment. A pack of playing cards has in all 52 cards. So we will have any one of the card out of 52 cards. Throwing a fair die is a random experiment. Will he get number 7 on the die? No. He will get numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 on the upper surface of the die. So set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is called sample space. Okay. So sample space means the outcomes or the possibilities of the result. First question in this lesson is for each of the following experiments write sample space S and number of sample points. Here sample space S, it means it is a set of all the possible outcomes for the random experiments, means it is a set of all the possible outcomes of a random experiment. Okay. So here we have to write all the possible outcomes in the form of the set and that is only called as sample space. And here number of sample point means the number of elements in that set is only denoted as a number of sample points. Okay. So see, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So first you say solution. I will write when one coin and one die is thrown simultaneously now give comma and write, say therefore possible outcomes in the form of set we are writing as a sample space. So here in that one coin two possibilities are there, head and tail, and in one die there are 6 possibilities, means die has total 6 faces. Okay, and on each face it has one particular number of dot, means on one face one dot, second 2, third 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so there are total 6 possibilities when we will throw the die. So here one coin and one die together we are throwing. So here if first we are taking head, then along with this head from the die one can come. Now from here along with this head again two dots also can come from the die. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 means along with this head of the coin these 6 possibilities of the die can come. Now with the tail of the coin T1 1 dot, now 2 dot, 3 dots, 4 dots T4, 5 dots T5 and last one T6. So likewise total 12 possibilities can come. So here these are the possible outcomes of the random experiment when we throw one coin and one die simultaneously. Now we are writing its number of sample point, that is n of s. So n of s is equal to 12. Understood? Likewise you have to write all the possible outcomes for a random experiment. See, the next random experiment is 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Means we have here 3 different digits 2, 3 and 5 and we have to make 2-digit numbers from this 2, 3 and 5 3 digits. Okay. But the condition is without repeating a digit. So without repeating a digit means in that same number we don't have to repeat the digit means 22, 33 and 55. Here we don't have to make means 22, 33 and 55 is not accepted. Okay. So here without repeating a digit we are forming the 2-digit number. So write first solution. Again you write the same statement. When 2-digit numbers are formed, when 2-digit numbers are formed, 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. 2, 3 and 5, right, without repetition. Then say therefore S sample space is equal to, see, first 23 2-digit number, then 25 2-digit number, now 32 2-digit number, 35 also 2-digit number. Now we are taking 5. Okay, 52 and 53. So these are the all possible outcomes of this random experiment when we make 2-digit number from the digit 2, 3 and 5 without repetition. So how many possibilities are there? Right, n of s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 possibilities are there. So number of sample points we can say for this. N of s means number of sample points. So number of sample points of this sample space are 6. Got it?